There he is. Oh yeah, Pikeminnow again. Yo! Oh yeah! Just in case we need it. We'll move it where we need it later.
Oh, nice and cozy. Look at us.
Dude, I've like hurt every part of my body.
I will just let me know.
Nah, it's all good.
Oh, that's cute as shit, man. Come on, baby.
We'll try to have the face. Bryce is here.
Bryce is here?
Everybody is here. You're
Hello.
on speaker.
Oh, hey! Okay, and then I got a whole, it's taking me a long time. We're having a fun time.
Person 10. There you go. Just because it's pretty. This is funny enough the second time I've used this. Oh my god, I bent the hell out of it. It is not my son. Comfy feet placement. Okay. I'll just stuff all my extra clothes in the side. Yeah. Else in here. There you go. Okay. I'll have one of these. Greek yogurt. So choked I didn't bring my non-stick grill. I can't believe that.
Your what? Gas?
My non-stick grill. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, geez, bro.
I have Chef Bryce. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ow, damn it, mother.
Oh, this is the light, bro. Look at this guy, bro. This guy's ready to explore.
Yo, that's tough. That's tough. Looking real tough, Dylan. So yeah, it's Corrado time for once. This thing makes like a pretty sick noise when you cast. I think I have alright brake settings. I hope. I don't want to cut off my frog, but it's probably useless here. Goodbye, beautiful frog. I would love to catch something on this, but considering how ridiculous it looks, I don't know. I feel like there's lots of pikeminnow. The guy I was just talking to, he said the fishing here is pretty trash. I've never used a Corrado yet. I'm so curious how it works. Oh, you can kind of hear it. Wow, that's pretty sick. I don't have to thumb it as much. Yeah, this is Cultus Lake, Maple Bay area. There's a lot of activity going on. Yeah, let's head somewhere more quiet so we can fish, ideally. Yeah. Oh, damn it.
Nice, bro.
Get the hang of it. Maple Bay. These are good skipping rocks. Check this out, Bryce. What's that? Oh, 3, pretty good. 3's not too bad. See if I go crazy. Well, look, Bryce, I found a tadpole.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, some kind of tadpole. Here he goes. Oh my God, Bryce! Right there. Right there. Look at it. What is that? We were just there. It's still jumping. Oh my God, I hooked myself. I'm cooked, dog. Yo, release me. What on earth?
He's done rocking.
Now that the water is calm, this should be pretty easy. Let her rip. Let her rip. Yeah. Oh, it's something small here. What is that?
Oh.
It looks like a bass.
And then like I keep seeing like, oh, someone liked this video. I'm like, well, I go back and it's got 10K. I was like, what?
Sure about that?
Maybe I'm done.
Oh, geez.
I was about to find that.
Oh, yeah. Pikeminnow.
A little hard.
Okay. Ooh. Sourdough bread. I got a protein bread. Havarti cheese, a little butter, mayo, and then we just fuck. Gonna squeeze it in. Close enough. Oh my goodness gracious. Beautiful creation. Oh yeah. Bam.
Yeah, it's possible on that thing, bro.
Gooey cheese. That's crazy. Excellent. Oh. God dang it. Oh, it worked. Don't worry about it. Believe it. Just gonna make some steak, boys. Dylan, what's up? I'm gonna eat this egg with Dylan. Look at that. It's not as jammy as I thought. It's still pretty good. Hey, Dylan's good. He just has to like have somebody weird near him to distract him from what's happening, right? They give him a little tiny piece of, teeny bit. It's tasty, trust me. It's tasty, trust me. Num, 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 num. I'll eat one with you. So it's less suspicious, see? I got the same. Good. We're good. We're all good. Let me relax for a while. Young boy should. He's different. Oh yeah. I give up on catching anything big already. Is that a pumpkin seed? That's huge. What? I think these are pumpkin seeds, Bryce. Oh, what?
Come on, bro. Wait, what? He don't want it?
They want my frog.
How you put a frog on?
They want my frog, Bryce.
Just brought it into dock. Yeah, we'll get them out of the water soon, but you can't use them inside the space. Yeah.
Oh! There he is.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I swear, it's just a bunch of them.
Oh,
You've caught many. I haven't caught any.
Woo! Oh my god. Am I the worst human being? That's fine. Oh! Right as I'm not looking? What is it? Pikeminnow? Pikeminnow. Of course. Oh, they tore up my worm though. Bye, buddy. Let me just refresh my worm. CD worms for Pikeminnows. Actually, you know what? Let me try this. I just got a new one. It's black. And I feel like this might be pretty good. There he is.
nice.
What is that? Another pike? Oh yeah, Pikeminnow again. And they'll hit black clear drift worms too. Alright, yeah. Structures succeed. They're all smaller though, it looks like. Yeah. A lot of this one was extra tiny. Dude, that one by the swimming area was way bigger. Basically.
Stop.
I was a little hyped, not gonna lie.
Well, it's not that. I mean, you could.
Oh! There he is. That was a little bigger.
That's really cool.
That was a little bigger.
Man,
What is this?
getting so frustrated.
Yeah,
Stop catching it.
you really gotta. When I recommended your ultralight, yo, you know what? Take the rod then. Just go cast, and then feel better. Nice. Oh, what the frick? Another Pikeminnow. Pikeminnow. Again. Ooh. These guys are everywhere. Nice. Little, not super huge, but decent, fun fight. Ooh, there you go, buddy. Damn it. Yo! Did you get it?
Right?
Oh,
I got it.
Pikeminnow, damn.
Oh, you bitch. What the hell?
It's fucker, man.
Drop it. Yep.
If you do it better.
Oh, I caught him anyway.
Hey!
I didn't even... Bro, what?
How is it? A little pumpkin seed, right?
Yeah.
Well, first cast, huh?
I barely cast it. I literally just started reeling.
I know, I saw you cast like absolute dog and
Drop it in.
I guess that's all you need, huh? Oh, another little teeny guy. Man, they're like,
Very easy.
they are all over the place here, which means there's no bass. You guys want like tallwater frogs?
Yeah, they're not even bothered by it. Oh,
They don't give a damn.
frog? Okay.
Hoi, 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 hoi.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, yo. Ta-da! This guy looks so malnourished. Oh, weird. It looks like a... Doesn't even look like a pumpkin seed. What is this? That's a weird color. There he is. Oh yeah, Pikeminnow again. Yo!